Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's time. I'm going to try the iGulu wheat beer made from this system. I really like to thank iGulu for giving me this unit to share with you guys. And I really like to share the flavour of the first beer I've ever brewed. Definitely a wheat flavour, very strong wheat smell. It's got like a, it's a German wheat beer, a Weiss beer. It smells good. It doesn't smell off in any way. It smells just rich and strong. I'll taste it. Oh, the smell denotes the flavour. It's actually quite nice. Nothing like a homebrew. It actually doesn't taste like a homebrew. I heard some people saying that they do taste a bit like a homebrew, but no. If you do it right, I don't think it does. It's more like a beer that you get from a pub off tap. Granted, it might have a little bit of a flavour of like tap or line flavour. You know, lines get a little bit dirty in the pub, that kind of flavour. But other than that, it's quite good. Very tasty. The carbonation, you can't see that in there. It's quite well carbonated. The head is retaining. It's a very thick sort of head. It stays for a long time. And lacing, of course, stays on the glass as you can see there. You can see my homebrew sticker there. I've got stickers if I want to give away some in the future. I think I will. Basically, I like this unit. The unit works really well. The idea of it is for people who have a small area to live in, like a flat unit, small base, like a, I don't know, anywhere little, like this little shed, a little place that they can only brew in and live in at the same time. This thing will do great work for you. Granted, you're going to have to wait, 12 days for a beer, and you're going to get about 3.5 to 4 litres. But that's okay. You can. Why not? This is great for people who just need to try different kinds of beers all at once. You can brew your own beer on this. You can actually make up your own recipe and run it through the system, be it that the app will start working eventually. They have an app for it, which at the moment I haven't been able to get it to work. They do assure me that they are working on it and it should be working soon. It's got problems connecting. I've also heard from subscribers out there that the unit has a premium price and there is a premium setting that you have to unlock, which I haven't found yet because I haven't got the app going, so I don't know about that. Apparently you need to pay another $100 to get the premium settings working on this, so you can actually make your own recipes and make your own beer, which I think is a problem. They should not do that. They should just sell this unit as is for the premium price and allow everything to work on it, because it's gonna be their downfall. I know that they need to get money for their shareholders, but this is not the way to do it. Sell the unit because it's a good unit on its own. The system works a treat as long as you don't have a power cut. Like Mike from Bitter Reality Brewery said, you need a UPS, a uninterrupted power supply. You need to plug that in. It's vital if you're going to do this sort of brewing. If you have power cuts in your section, in your area of the world, it is very vital that you have a UPS. Basically, it forgets where it was. So when you disconnect the power, which I did, stupid me, I actually accidentally unplugged it, it got lost. It was 9 days into fermentation. It was actually down to finishing and the power went out, and I had to try and figure out where I was in it. I grabbed the instructions and the instruction said it was at the stage of cold crashing, which is very lucky for me. So I dropped it down to 2 degrees Celsius and cooled it down and cold crashed it, which made no difference. It actually came out spot on. Absolutely brilliant. The unit itself is quite high tech. Here, have a listen to the fridge running. It's not too loud. The idea of this unit, I believe, is for small batch brewers as well. People who want to make beer and make beautiful recipes, but don't want to do a big batch of it, just drink 2 glasses of it and say, no, this is crap, tip it out, start again. If you want to make it, you can make a gallon only. If you want to make just a gallon, that's fine. That way you can get your recipe correct without wasting too much grain. And you can make this with grain juice and all that stuff with, wort. That's the idea of it too. You can create recipes with it and you can run it through the app and then save it as a recipe in the app that's about to be brought out. I hope it comes out soon, I can tell you. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with this unit. It's great. I'm about to brew an amber lager that they provided. This is my next one. I am going to drink this and share it with a few people and enjoy this one. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of wheat beer. But this tastes clean. It tastes like something that came off out of a tap, out of a pub tap. Not too bad at all. Very rich in flavour, by the way, and cold. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video and have a look at what this is all about. I'm really glad that iGulu gave me this unit, and I get to play with equipment like this, which is high tech, and experiment. Oh, I'm getting a citrusy flavour. Sorry, getting a citrus out of this now. Hang on. Running on a tangent, sorry. It's good. It's actually coming through. It's really, really strong, really flavoursome. And the alcohol volume is 4.6 or something like that. It is pretty accurate with the actual record. It doesn't taste like an extract, especially a dry malt extract beer. It actually tastes like a beautiful, nice, properly made factory beer. Anyway, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I will see you in the next brew. Cheers.